Hello, Brent.
Hello, Ben.
We're here at Decoy.
To learn how to make Peking Duck.
We're here at Decoy in the West Village to learn from Chef Joe exactly what goes into full, perfect Peking duck. I've never made it.
We're making Peking duck. Why Peking duck over roasted duck or braised duck?
The history has come from northern China.
Okay.
It's not southern China. Southern China, they eat roast duck, which is just put in the oven, they chop it and eat it without the pancake. So this duck is from Canada. And also the duck itself is about 6 to 7 pounds. They are very, very not too fatty.
Yeah.
Usually when you have duck or from different farm, the breast is that thick.
They're
You know, it's not moist.
Yeah.
It's like very dry. And by the way, right now, the very, very famous dish in New York, which is this pork.
Tongue?
No,
Oh, right there.
the whole thing.
What do you even call that?
We call jiao.
Okay.
I don't know, is it called
Yeah,
jiao?
Duck jowl.
Yeah, but they cook this pork. They only sell this pork expensive than the meat.
Really?
What? Really?
Because one duck only had one jiao,
Yeah.
but you have two legs.
Yeah. Okay.
The first thing is we gotta clean the duck. They come with the duck with all the intestine, everything. We gotta get it out. We gotta clean this.
Yep.
And then salt first. 3 spoons of salt inside. Oh, the very, 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 very important is when we do any preparation on the duck, don't get the skin dirty. Okay? Keep everything clean, like especially salt and the sauce. If any sauce or salt will touch the skin, when you put it in the oven, that part is dark and burned because there's a sodium in there. So just keep it very,
pressure here.
very clean. Go around inside and like massage them.
Gently.
Yeah, make sure the flavor go everywhere. So then you put 2 star anise.
So we got
And
the
the ginger.
five spice.
Yeah, five spice we in there, and ginger 2.
2 of these?
Yeah, 1 or 2 is fine. Scallion as well,
Great.
and 2 spoons of sauce, and go over it.
Don't
Yeah.
spill it.
Okay, and then we're gonna close it.
And then is it just straight down the middle? Yeah?
That looks good.
Pumping air into the carcass. This is a traditional part of it, is getting the fat and
Yeah.
the skin to separate. Who came up with that idea?
That is come from the people that they try to make how they make the skin crispy.
Yeah.
That's why when they cook this without pumping the air there, they're not getting the better result.
It makes so much sense, but also I can't imagine who thought of that. It's like, let's just pump a bunch of air in there and then we'll get the crispy
No,
skin.
but by the way, in 50 years ago, they don't have a pump. They do this.
Yeah. I think that's
Serious.
what Brent should do.
Yeah. We're gonna start pumping from the neck.
Do we have to
and then you gotta hold it, okay? Make sure you gotta hold it.
Okay.
Okay? Just, yeah, don't go too fast. You see that?
I think that's the most John Carpenter thing we've ever done.
You should try.
Yeah?
You should try because they lose air. You could pump it up again.
There's a hole down here, Ben.
Yeah, now it's just so loose on the neck and wow. Wow.
Thank you.
It's the first time I've ever pumped air into the carcass of a duck.
Just a plain water.
Just
Okay, yeah.
water, any seasoning?
No, nothing. The reason why we do this, we want to get the skin tight right now.
Okay.
Okay? We don't want to cook the skin.
Right.
We just want the skin get tight.
Yeah.
So you just go like this.
Oh, it's a duck in a pond.
It's like you washing them, you know? Okay? And then we go to the last part of the preparation, red vinegar. Okay?
Okay.
And sugar. The vinegar and sugar to make the skin crispy. That's the important part. Put that on the top of the duck to make sure every part of a duck, they touch with the vinegar and the sugar.
And these are all the traditional steps.
Yeah.
Okay.
We gotta let it dry for 6 to 8 hours.
Okay.
So we're gonna go downstairs and cook the duck in the oven.
Let's go cook a duck.
Okay.
Dinner. So what temperature are we cooking the ducks at?
We cook the duck at 300, and then we gotta shut it down for about 275, and then the last 5 minutes we're gonna turn it on to about 350 to 400 to get all the fat out. We don't want any fat stuck in the duck.
Where does all of the fat go?
To the bottom, you see this? The oven?
Uh-huh.
You see all this fat?
That's a lot of fat.
Yeah. All right.
What do you think, Chef?
The duck is almost about 40 minutes.
Oh, those are brown.
Wait.
Hold the hook and take this out.
Oh, that's beautiful. What's the punishment if I drop this in the bottom accidentally?
I gotta get you
Fired?
no, an employer benefit. Go home. Show everyone. See how shine? Now we're gonna fillet. When we do the duck before in the preparation, remember this, we close it.
Yes.
Right now we gotta take it off because we gotta get all the sauce out from inside. We don't need that. This part we gotta cut. You see some sauce. It's dropping.
And everything else has just been absorbed by the meat.
Yeah, absorbed by the meat. Smell.
Oh man, that smells so good.
Take the leg off.
Take the leg off.
Okay.
Because some people when they eat Peking duck, the most part they like to eat, which is the breast and the back. But the breast part is kind of moist. When you with the pancake, will be more have a texture.
Yeah.
Back of the pot, in general, the people just eat without any pancake. You know, like yeah, chips.
I like chips.
It's like chips.
Duck chips?
Yeah. So we're gonna do the breast part. So
Yeah, what's your way?
my way is take one piece of a pancake, and then you choose whatever sauce you want.
You like the hoisin?
Hoisin, the sesame, and I like the vegetable more because I like the jalapeno flavor. Okay, and then you get one of the breasts and a little bit of a scotch, not much, and eat it.
Me?
Yeah.
That's awesome. I definitely didn't expect the jalapeno. That makes a huge difference.
Really, really nice. The brightness from the jalapeno, the sweetness from the hoisin, the sesame. Oh my gosh. I've had Peking duck plenty of times. I've never had it with these sauces, with the fried leeks. This is such a unique experience. So this is what you want out of Peking duck?
Sure.
And it's a lot more fun to build yourself.
Raw preparation and the cooked preparation, the whole thing around 24 hours.
Full 24 hours into this dish.
Yeah.
And then you end up with this beautiful, unique Peking duck dish brought to your table.
Yeah.
Wow, this is so impressive. The flavors are amazing. Thank you so much. This was great.
Amazing.
Thank
Thank you.
We're gonna eat the rest of this duck for you so it's out of your way.
Yeah.